What's up, guys? Batchy here. I'm back in action. It's been a few months. I've made several videos and I haven't posted them. I don't know. I guess I'm just lazy. But I'm laid off from work. Coronavirus. There's like no work going on, so I thought, what better thing to do than collect unemployment? I had the option. My wife says, hey, I took the first layoff. I says, this will give me a chance to work on my stuff. And in the meantime, start the channel back up, get some good content. I slowly cleaning the garage. Yeah, I know it looks like a mess in here still, but it's like way better than it was. It's gonna be like my new work area. Get my toolboxes down here from home. Motor we pulled out of a truck not too long ago, got 5.3. Still got Helga sitting. Maybe take her for a ride soon. I don't know. It snowed the other day, but it's been warm out. But been parting out this 1980 Chevy pickup. Sold a ton of stuff off of it, like a bunch of stuff I didn't even think I was gonna sell. I got somebody going to pick up these doors for the power window harness. Swap all this stuff over. Lots of goodies. But the last 10 minutes I've been trying to figure out how I'm gonna get this bed to the scrapyard. My battery's dying, I gotta hurry this up. I was gonna take my blue truck and I've been trying to figure out what the hell I'm gonna do to get this thing in here. And then I had an awesome idea. Stay tuned, I'll be back in, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. Alright guys, so real quick, before I leave the garage and my battery dies, show you the operation. We got the bed off, okay. And what I did was I used the repo lift on the Dodge. By the way, I picked this up shortly after I stopped recording, once I sold the other Dodge. But yeah, we extended it all the way out, lifted the bed up, put the L-arms in, still has manual L-arms, strapped it down, filled it full of scrap. Now, this is a big, raggy operation, and I love it. This is what Batchy Built's all about. One cool thing about this Dodge, it needs a little bit of work, but stick, four-wheel drive. Best part is, still registered to the dude I bought it from. Came out of New York. It has New York reg still. Got some controls back here, tucked away, bang, set it down, pick her up. Now let's just hope that the clutch holds up enough until we get back from the scrapyard, because I got a smoking deal on it, but that's mainly because the clutch is smoked. So, cross your fingers. Hope that we make it to the scrapyard and back without having to get a tow. So, I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Alright, lights turning green, just so you guys can see how bad this thing is. Oh, I gotta be so fucking careful. Oh, she's just slipping. Oh, as soon as you get over like once you get over 2 grand, she's fine. Steering wheel's a little crooked, by the way. Oh, this thing's bouncing around like a fucking big piece of shit. Watch, as soon as you go over 2 grand, she eats. Once we get the bed off, I'll give you guys like a better video. Yeah, it's just a little, needs an alignment. But, alright, about to be at the scrapyard. Coming down South Main. Worst part's over. Alright. Alright, guys. Just about to leave the scrapyard. To show you guys how bad this fucking thing slips. Also, let me just say how Scrap, light iron, 1 cent a pound right now. I brought 770 pounds, got $7.70. Radiators, had a big radiator out of this thing. 15 cents a pound, I got $3.15. I had 24 pounds of cast aluminum, big heavy bell housings. $5.04. Ooh, baby. Alright. But I had to get rid of it. So, hear the clutch? Thing sounds like death. Alright. Ready? Clutch is out. Oh, now we're moving. Until you get above 2 grand, she slips. Let's see if I can set this thing up. It's second. Alright, third. Oh. Oh. Big toilet. Well, that's really it. We made it to the scrapyard. That's all that matters. Got my whole $16. Head back to the garage. Clean up a little bit. Head home. That'll be that. Harley's. That holds up great once you get over 2 grand. Other than that, forget about it. I really need to get this thing aligned. But anywho, so that's pretty much it for today, I think, guys. I don't know. If I decide to do something cool when I get back to the garage, I'll let you know. Other than that, I'll probably catch you guys later.